Hey friends, I'm just about to install this gate latch. Real boring thing, but you gotta have them. This one seems pretty decent. It'll accommodate about a 1-inch diameter post here, maybe slightly bigger, but about 1-inch diameter. It's held on by this kind of unique bent bolt of all things. So all you really need to install this thing is your hands and a 17mm wrench. So that just comes off like that. This thing goes on the pole. You got some knurtles here. Slap it in and throw your nut on, and it's bolted on. You've got about a 2-inch, well, let's call it 2 1/4 inch gap here. So you want to give yourself 2 1/4 inches between your gate and your post or whatever you're doing. About 2 1/4 inches would be good, and you can slip a little lock through here if you want to as well. Install was easy. Took about 2 minutes, and well, what else can you say? It installed in about a minute and latched the gate. Very exciting. All right, we'll see you around.